Hello and welcome to Homeyhuts. In this video, we'll see how to use the unified calendar, the place where you'll spend most of your time managing your property. So if you're managing your property across multiple OTAs or even multiple properties across multiple OTAs, switching between calendars can quickly become confusing. The unified calendar brings everything together in one place. So you can view all your properties, track booking, manage availability, update pricing, and even create offline bookings within seconds. So let's see how that works. To go into your unified calendar, you can simply navigate into the menu section, go into your host control center, and tap onto the unified calendar. When you open the unified calendar, you will see all your properties listed vertically on the left and the dates are displayed horizontally across the top. If you have created any property clusters, all the properties within that cluster will appear together, making it much easier to monitor availability and manage similar properties at once. From this single screen, you can view all your bookings, availability, and pricing without switching between different platforms. Now, to block or unblock dates, simply click on to any date in the calendar and click on to the update availability option. You can choose the date range you want to update. If needed, you can also select or deselect individual dates within the selected date range. Next, click on to the block dates. You also have the option to add notes for your reference or your team's reference before saving the changes. Once you click on to block dates, your availability is updated across all of your connected OTAs, and the unified calendar is also marked instantly. Now, to update your pricing, you can follow the same process. You can click on to any date and select update pricing. Choose the required date range and enter your new price. It will also give you an insight based on your previously updated pricing. But please note that the price entered here is the final all-inclusive price, and it will automatically sync across all your connected OTAs. Then you can also update pricing using our Flexi Pricing feature. Instead of entering a fixed amount, simply increase or decrease your pricing by a percentage. For example, if a long weekend or a holiday is approaching and you want to increase your room rates by 15%, simply enter 15% over here and Homey Huts will automatically calculate the updated price and update it across all of your connected OTAs. Similarly, you can decrease price during low demand periods to improve occupancy. Please note that the flexi pricing can be updated between 1 to 20% only. Now, if you want to update flexi pricing for multiple properties at once, return to your unified calendar and click on to the flexi pricing option. Select all the required properties at once. Click on to update pricing. Select the date range, enter your percentage, then click on to apply changes. Lastly, if you need to add any booking receipt through your offline source, like your phone calls, WhatsApp inquiries, you can simply click onto the required check-in date and create an offline booking for the same date. You can enter the guest details, save the booking, and it will instantly appear in your unified calendar and your reservations alongside all your other OTA reservations. And that's it. The unified calendar is a central workspace for managing everything from bookings, availability to pricing updates, and even offline reservations, all from one single screen. Once you're familiar with this calendar, managing multiple properties becomes faster, simpler, and much more organized. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Homeyhuts tutorials where we'll help you to get the most out of every feature and make your property management effortless.